Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to calibrate your Bambu Lab A1. The calibration process is gonna be quite long, but it is important, especially if you have first turned on your printer, or if you have moved it. If you've moved it to a different table, it is important to calibrate the vibration because the active vibration reducer needs to know how the table vibrates. So I'm gonna go to the setting, then go down to the maintenance, calibration. Now you can select what to calibrate. So I'm gonna unselect the motor noise cancellation because it is all great, and the auto bed leveling, but I'm gonna leave the vibration compensation, and that's what I'm gonna calibrate it for. But if you select everything, then it'll take about half an hour. So I'm gonna leave only the vibration compensation, click on start. And now it'll first home all axis, then it'll start vibrating in different axes and start doing the compensation. So let's wait until all of that is done. And the calibration is completed. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.